All right, ladies and gentlemen, so this video is all about wealth through expansion. So, what kind of astrological combination series that you need to have in order to get wealth through expansion? So, let's talk about the planet who is responsible for expansion. The planet which is responsible for expansion, abundance, and also knowledge is planet Jupiter, the most beneficial planet in the Vedic system, right? So if at all you have strong Jupiter in your horoscope, then you can make very good money through expansion through business, expansion through career, expansion through social status, expansion through your immediate family members. So everything happens through Jupiter. So the planet Jupiter should be stronger in your birth chart. That means the planet Jupiter should be either in Aries, Gemini, Cancer, Leo, Virgo, Sagittarius, Scorpio, then Saturn's zodiac signs such as Capricorn and Aquarius and also Pisces. In these zodiac signs, the Jupiter is considered as stronger. Okay, so you got to see the strength of Jupiter in a more critical way, and then you need to come into a conclusion that whether you can able to make wealth through expansion. So basically, it will happen through Jupiter. If at all you are having any kind of yoga through Jupiter, whether Jupiter is in conjunct with Moon, Venus, or Mercury or Saturn, then this is considered as wealth yoga. The wealth yoga is forming through Jupiter. So we can come into the conclusion that you can get money through expansion. Alright. So, and also in the Navamsha chart, the D9 chart, and also the D10 chart, we have to analyze the placement of Jupiter in your birth chart. The more stronger is Jupiter in your birth chart with regards to the degrees, that between 10 to 25 degrees in your birth chart, then we can consider that you can make very good wealth through expansion. Or also, if Jupiter is exalted in your birth chart, that means Jupiter is placed in Cancer, then we can consider that you can get money through expansion. Okay. There are many other combination series, but I would like to restrict this video only for this combination. So make sure that you thoroughly check your birth chart, and also if at all you need my consultations, please book for the consultations. The link is mentioned in the description section, so that once I get an order, I can be able to help you with the analysis. Okay, and I can able to help you with regards to what kind of career it is suitable for you, what kind of business it is suitable for you, from which areas of life you can able to get the wealth is completely, we can do the revelations through analyzing your birth chart. Okay, so Vedic astrology is just everything. It's all about you need to find an astrologer who can help you providing you the correct analysis on your birth chart. Okay, and rest assured, please subscribe to my YouTube channel so that I'll be helping you with regards to understanding the astrological combinations. So we are preparing many videos across this astrological combinations. Stay tuned across this video, and bye for now. And don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel, and also mention what you have learned in the comment section, so that I'll be able to understand whether you are really learning the astrology or not. All right, so thank you and bye for now.